we'll guide you through on how to download an Instagram reel. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first step would be going to the reel section and selecting a reel. For example, we have a reel here. So all you need to do is click on the paper plane icon, which is also called the share icon. So just click on it. After that, you need to scroll down in the bottom and find the download option, which is here. Just click on download, and there you go, your video is downloaded. But the only catch about this download inbuilt download option in Instagram is that you get a watermark on the downloaded video. And if you don't want a watermark, all you need to do is click on the paper plane icon again and click on copy link in the bottom. After you have copied the link, go back, close the Instagram app, and choose any browser that you use, that you prefer. For example, I'm using Google here. In Google, go to the search bar and search for Instagram's Reel download. Now choose any website. For example, I'm using FastDL website, so I'll just click on it. You can use this website as well. I prefer this website. After that, you need to paste the link in the search section. Just paste the link that you have copied here and click on download. Close the ad. It'll take a few seconds. Just wait. After that, scroll down and click on download MP4. Close the ad again. And there you go. You have downloaded the video.